You know what, stunters? There is no excuse. At least try to find you some gear. I just found you a full set of icon gear. You can do that in. Here we go, having a great time. We're gonna go ahead and do it with traffic. So very safe and not reckless, and won't get you a ticket, and there won't be any legal consequences or even physical and mental consequences. So this sun's gonna go right in your eyes right here. Well, let's go ahead and block it with our motorcycle because, you know, who needs our own vision? Let's see if anybody hates us now that we did that because we were stuck at a red light. We're gonna go into the intersection, very safe. You need to stop behind that white line, by the way. They didn't do that. Yep, somebody got pissed. Yep, somebody got pissed. But we're cool, right? Because we got it on camera, and we're going to post it on our YouTube channel and get 40 views. So here we go. Lafayette Stunter going a little too hard on the wheelie. He's going to go ahead and roll a couple times. Now, we have a stunting safely section in the Discord if you want to check it out. If you are a stunter, please join and talk to us about how you stunt safely so we can start stunting safely ourselves. All right? So this wasn't really that safe because of the lack of gear. So we have a high risk situation. I swear, don't do it again. Don't do it again. Okay. All right. Checking everything while you're going 60-something miles an hour. Very good. Don't do it while you're stopped on the road. Okay. Just do it when you're traveling. Okay. Don't hit the gravel. Look where you're going. A little bit of a panic. You hear the breathing. There's a little bit of a tear on the left knee. Okay. He's got road rash on the right elbow. You can see that's why he keeps looking at it. It's painful. He's saying the F word a little bit. Why'd you park right there? Why'd you park right there? Could have parked anywhere else. A Fast House gloves, you can find those at like Ride Now. They don't offer any protection whatsoever. He's going 100 miles an hour slowly. Okay. Very good. Let's see what happens. So nice big wheelie. We started off. This would have been a good if we were doing this. But we went a little bit too far. He's going to go ahead and dump the bike. And this is going to be where that right arm hits the ground. Okay, there's the right hand. And then the elbow is going to come next. And it's going to be sliding across the ground. Okay, so there's the damage. And here's the elbow again hitting the ground. And we're going to slip around and tumble. And we're going to run because we're scared. But look how far we have to run. A couple dozens of feet. And we're going to pick up the bike. Adrenaline is crazy. You get pretty strong with adrenaline. It's like a grandma lifting a boulder off of her grandkid. I guess we can equate that to this. But we're going to go ahead and continue. Now, here's the thing. We started taking off. And then we start checking our bike and our body. Don't know why we're running. Don't know why we're leaving the scene. It was a single vehicle accident. Yes, reckless riding. But here's the thing. Check your body. Check your bike. Because the last thing you want to do is go 40, 50, 60 miles an hour and your chain flies off because you damaged it. Or you bent your rotor. And then now it's like messing up your brakes. It's messing up everything. And you're going to dump the bike because it's going to lock up. You don't know that. So check it first. Check your body too. Who knows? You could be bleeding out and you don't know it until the last second. You look down. You have blood running down. You got brown running on down the left leg. You got to watch out. You know, you don't know what's going on. It could be slippery. You could slip and slide. So he's checking around, looking around. You know, we're going to be like, okay, we're going to look at the mirror. It doesn't work very well. Let's look at my elbow. It looks pretty painful. So you got road rash. The mirror fell down. Got a lazy eye. Moving over here. Okay, here's the thing. You could have parked. All over there. Could have parked all over there. But we're going to do this. And we're going to park over here. We're going to look around. He's going to check his elbow again. And you can see a little bit of red discoloration. So we got a slight bit of road rash right there. This is a good picture, by the way. Even though it's very quick, it's got some good lighting. So good job on the camera work, Lafayette Stunter. What we have here is normal skin. So all that brown, not that kind of brown. All of this is normal skin. We got that? All right, that's our starting point. Now let's move into the next section. This section right here. That's level 1. That is level 1 road rash. That little shiny spot. See a little shiny spot? So when I say level 1 is like a really bad sunburn, think of it that way. Your top layer of your skin got peeled off, but like instantly. So it's painful. It's definitely painful. It usually happens a couple days later, or maybe even that day, the next day, you start peeling off that skin, that first layer with a sunburn. And then you have level 2. So level 2 is that bleeding, oozing raspberry that you would get when you slide on the asphalt, obviously. But also anybody plays softball, baseball, sliding into to a base, getting a nice little raspberry. What that is just a pitted dermis being removed, so your skin is being removed a little bit. That's what's happening here. On the other side, I don't know if there's gonna be a level 3, and that's when you actually get pieces of your flesh removed. Yeah. So that's no buenos. It's a no bueno situation. But this is all painful. And where is it located, everybody? Where is it located? On the elbow. Where do we have protection with motorcycle-specific gear? Impact protection, specifically. Oh, on the elbow. Might have protected that. So when I say stunters, please wear gear. This is the reality. You can have this. I want you to keep stunting. I want you to keep having fun. But you can't continue to do that if you get hurt and you have to take a break, or your bike has to take a break if it breaks. But I'd rather just, be doing something else while I'm repairing the bike instead of healing too. So wear some gear, please. Let me know in the stunting safely section on our Discord. You are invited. Somebody comment it. It's going to be the first pinned comment on the rebroadcast of this. Join and let us know how you stunt, what you do, and we're going to try our best to find a solution for you. Okay? Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment, so make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from RevZilla using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps me out. No extra cost to you. Plus, it lets RevZilla know that the DDFM crew is pretty badass, and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link. I'll see you soon. All right, CRISPR Dad, Canada. You know what? Stunters, there is no excuse. So your excuses of not being nimble is not a good excuse. That's an Icon jacket. That's a helmet. He's got a motorcycle jacket, motorcycle gloves, motorcycle pants, motorcycle boots, and a full face helmet. So what's the excuse when it comes to not having full gear? I want to know what the excuse is. Hey, full gear, you can't be nimble. You just can't be nimble. You have to have that freedom of movement, and full gear prevents that. It really does. It really does, guys. I mean, I don't know. I don't think he has real gear. He's sponsored by Icon, but I think they might have gave him fake gear. I just don't get it. If it's just you saying I can't do it, let us on the DDFM crew on our Discord server at least try to find you some gear. I just found you a full set of Icon gear you can do that in. Come on, guys. Let's wear gear. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.